railway accidents become especially dangerous when they happen inside tunnels. It's easy to imagine that solving this kind of problem requires specialized equipment not just any machine will do. On the screen, you can see a system used high in the mountains of Switzerland. This rescue train is made up of several sections, each designed for a specific task. The first section is for firefighting. The second is a fully equipped ambulance for transporting the injured, and the third is a standard evacuation car. If needed, these sections can be detached and used independently. XL Specialized Trailers crafted a nifty trailer specifically for transporting wind turbine blades. It stretches out to 56 m, and if that's not enough, you can extend it to 61 meters with various upgrades. Surprisingly, this length doesn't compromise its reliability. The trailer effortlessly manages loads of up to 40.8 tons. Operating the XL Specialized trailer is easy with a special remote control, and detaching hydraulic hoses is a snap, thanks to the detachable hooks. It's time to bring back a piece of Greek mythology, specifically the Chimera. This legendary beast had the head of a lion, the body of a goat, and a serpent's tail. The creators of this truck named it Chimera, and while it doesn't have a lion's head or a snake's tail, it's still something worth seeing. Under the hood, it packs a V8 engine with 16.4 liters of displacement, delivering a massive 1,460 horsepower. Thanks to all that power, it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 5 seconds. To handle that kind of force, it's fitted with a 6-speed transmission made by Allison, a company that's been in the game since 1915 and knows engines and gearboxes inside out. At first, the plan was to make it look like a vintage truck, but those ideas were set aside for a more modern design, and according to the team behind it, the updated look did not disappoint fans. The Liquid X liner can carry both liquid and bulk cargo simultaneously, which is beneficial because it reduces the need to drive empty trucks back and forth. But how do you test such an unusual trailer for stability? It's easy when representatives of the German expert organization TÜV get down to business. At the test site, the truck driver performed quite risky maneuvers, and special additional wheels helped avoid capsizing. In the end, the trailer successfully passed all tests and met the required safety parameters. Worldwide, the World Bank estimates that about 2 trillion tons of municipal solid waste are produced every single year. And this figure is only expected to rise. By the year 2050, some regions could be generating double or even triple the current amounts of waste. To prevent being buried under mountains of garbage, engineers around the globe are developing advanced recycling technologies. One impressive example is the Lefort self-propelled system, designed to cut and crush scrap metal. Depending on the model, the press can deliver a force of up to 180 tons, while the shears can apply as much as 1,250 tons. And with radio control, operators can handle the entire process with far greater ease. Komatsu HD 785-8. Next up is a machine that made its debut this year. The HD 785-8 mining truck from the Japanese brand Komatsu hit the market in early 2020. According to the company, This truck is the result of decades of experience and innovation. The model you're seeing was designed specifically for use in large quarries and mining operations. It boasts an impressive load capacity of 60 cubic meters, and it can haul up to 92.2 tons of material. But what really stands out is how well it handles. Engineers managed to give it an incredibly tight turning radius of just 10.1 meters, something almost unheard of for a vehicle this size. Under the hood, it delivers 1,000 horsepower. The truck stands over 16 feet tall, stretches nearly 37 feet long, and is about 14 feet wide. Smart Truck focuses on creating aerodynamic elements for trucks. When these elements are placed beneath the trailer, fuel consumption reduces by over 10%. Considering that at speeds around 80 kilometers per hour, over half of energy consumption involves overcoming air resistance, Smart Truck's innovations seem highly promising. The Undertray UT6 kit can be assembled in just a few hours, optimizing airflow to cool brakes efficiently and prevent tire overheating. It's no surprise that Smart Truck elements are already in use, notably on the trucks of Turk Enterprises, recognized as Canada's most reliable carrier of perishable goods. Lamax brings the warmth of home to the demanding world of freight transport. The company designs sleeper cabins that fit a wide range of trucks. From Renault to Evco, their sleek, aerodynamic shape reduces wind drag and lowers fuel consumption, a big win for fleet owners. Drivers love them. The cabins are not only well insulated against noise, but some models even feature a mini kitchen. That's a breakthrough innovation, and one of Lamax's strongest selling points. Certain cabins even offer space for a 200 by 70 centimeter bed. And with a built-in heater, drivers can enjoy a good night's sleep, even on the coldest nights. Plus, they come with a sunroof, a table, and even an extra bed. If you're curious, you can take a free 3D tour of the cabins right on the Lamax website and discover even more. The V4 version comes with a 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine and can handle a payload of 10 tons. It's equipped with an automatic transmission featuring 6 forward gears and 3 reverse gears. Inside the 2-seater cab, there's a sleeper bed and built-in heating. You'll also find air conditioning, a rear-view camera, a radio, and even a winch system. Need more? Features like GLONASS satellite navigation and other custom options can be added depending on what the job calls for. Ever seen the show Heavy Rescue? 401? It's a Canadian reality series that follows the tough lives of heavy-duty tow truck operators. And there's a reason we bring it up. The company that designs the specialized systems used to build these kinds of rescue rigs, they're based right there too. Truck driving is becoming even more comfortable, with the Dutch company DAF introducing the digital vision system. It not only replaces mirrors but also aids on highways and in loading areas. The options include displaying lines for gauging distances during overtaking and maneuvering, along with providing a wide view of the rear trailer during turns. The system ensures visibility compliance, indicated by a special icon when the view is correct. Another Dutch invention, the side-eye system, assists in handling truck blind spots. Considering that 70% of accidents stem from blind spots, side-eye becomes a lifesaver for many drivers. The system features a radar and camera that display images on a 7-inch screen. An acoustic signal alerts the driver when cars, pedestrians, cyclists, or other road users are detected in the blind spot. The global logistics industry is constantly searching for new technologies to integrate. Many experts predict that this year will see a major rise in smart systems, in other words, robots lending a hand to humans. One particularly exciting project in this area is Scale, developed by top specialists from Toyota and the University of Gothenburg. The goal is to design and test new ways to automate and boost the efficiency of goods handling. To achieve this, they are using Toyota's automated forklifts inside warehouses and replacing standard trucks with electric vehicles from iRide, fully authorized to operate on United States roads. These vehicles can travel up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. Scania AX L. This next vehicle might not be in the Guinness Book of Records, but it's seen as a game changer for the future of mining. Why? Because the Scania AXL is a multi-ton machine that runs without anyone behind the wheel. It's a fully autonomous concept truck, built to tackle big challenges like streamlining heavy load transport and cutting down operational costs for mining companies. There's no driver's cab on the Scania AXL. Instead, it's equipped with a smart control module. It uses a network of cameras, multiple radars, lidars, and GPS receivers to constantly scan its surroundings and navigate safely. With this setup, blind spots are a thing of the past. But that's not all. The truck also runs on renewable biofuel, making its environmental footprint close to zero. OpenBox C is designed to exceed the expectations of even the most discerning customers. According to its creators, the accordion-like folding mechanism of OpenBox C ensures versatility, accommodating both regular and oversized loads, making it particularly well-suited for transporting shipping containers. The features of OpenBox C are tailored to the specific needs of each customer. For instance, you can order a version with a payload of 15 tons. Operating the container requires only one person, and it can be unfolded or folded in under 20 minutes. Additionally, the container is composed of 3 elements, so you don't have to replace the entire unit in case of damage. Here we have a one-of-a-kind expedition truck built on a Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6x6 platform. It was made in Germany back in 2013 and was later sold successfully. So now, all we can do is check out what it had to offer. Let's start with the engine. It delivers 326 horsepower and meets Euro 5 emission standards. With a 6-speed transmission and lockable differentials, this beast is ready to take on the toughest off-road terrain. When it's time to rest, adventurers can relax in what's basically a mini apartment on wheels. Inside, there's heating, a full entertainment system with television and audio, a fully equipped kitchen, a shower, a toilet, and a cozy seating area for 4 to 6 people. Fully loaded with drinking water and fuel, it weighs around 19 tons. The creators of this project proudly live by the motto, "Passion for perfection." Can you spot a single flaw? According to experts, the cotton market is projected to reach $43.961187, more than the combined gross domestic product of Andorra, Nicaragua, and North Korea. In a market with such high stakes, every detail matters. For example, transportation plays a crucial role. Cotton often travels thousands of kilometers from where it is grown, and it must be handled with great care. Right from the start of its journey, that's why engineers created vehicles like the C&M Moon Buggy Monster 2, which can carry up to 10 bales of cotton more than any other vehicle of its kind. The Moon Buggy Monster 2 is fitted with a rotating, lifting cab, giving the operator an outstanding viewing angle to move the bales quickly and safely. Railway workers often use B units in their work. These are essentially locomotives with engines, but without a full cab or with a very small one. These locomotives serve the purpose of shunting, meaning they move trains within the station. Now Smith Global has applied a similar approach to road trains with their Toll Mk5 billion units. They are remote controlled and assembled using modules. This approach allows production to take place in various factories globally, and the modules can be easily transported in standard ISO containers. Komatsu ni ne aitte. Number 4 on the list is this powerful dump truck with an electric drive system, first unveiled just a few years ago. Right from the start, its performance turned a lot of heads. The Komatsu 980E-4 delivers an impressive 3,549 horsepower. Its massive dump bed can hold up to 183 cubic meters, or up to 250 when stacked. The truck itself is 10 meters wide and stands about 8 meters tall. As for payload, it can handle over 369 tons with ease. Logging produces long, smooth logs, which are then turned into construction materials, furniture, and many other products. But what about the tops of the trees that are cut off from those logs? The answer comes from the next machine on our list. It's a mobile unit equipped with a powerful chipper that transforms treetops into wood chips. Its big advantage is mobility. It isn't fixed to one location, so it can process the tree right where it was cut, leaving no residue behind. The resulting chips are then used in industrial production, as well as in construction and landscaping projects. Trailer thieves will be in for a surprise when they discover that the trailer isn't locked from the outside, but from the inside, thanks to the power and lock system equipped with security pins. It also records all openings and closings, helping the driver prove cargo integrity during transport. Another useful product is the strong arm system, perfect for loading areas. After the driver finishes maneuvering, it grabs and holds the trailer securely, managing loads up to 14.5 tons and locking in place even with damaged trailers. When the driver steps away to fill out waybills, leaving the truck unattended, it's prime time for fuel thieves. But now, disappointment awaits them with this foolproof defense system. Thousands of tractors from Scania, Ford, Volvo, and other manufacturers have it installed already, proving 100% effective against thieves. If someone asked you whether you'd want to live in a trailer, you might be quick to say no. But wait before you decide. Take a look at what the Expandable Trailers team has created. The moment you step inside, you'll forget you're even in a trailer. They offer a version that is 13.6 meters long, with 62 square meters of floor space, and setting it up for a life of comfort is surprisingly simple. It takes just one person, 15 minutes. Once they're on site, these trailers are built from modules, so production takes only a few months. You can choose from several designs, including a luxury apartment, an office, or even a hospital. And to make it easy to picture your dream setup, Expandable Trailers offers a 3D configurator right on their website. Measuring around 3 meters wide and quite long, the Jupiter 30 can haul up to 30 tons of cargo and reach a top speed of 56 kilometers per hour. It runs on a hybrid system. A 450 horsepower engine powers a generator, which charges the batteries for 2 electric drive motors, one on each axle. Originally designed as an autonomous vehicle, it already comes equipped with everything needed: LiDARs, ultrasonic sensors, antennas, and both GPS and GLONASS systems. Both axles can pivot, giving it excellent maneuverability. After field testing, this new vehicle will serve as a pilot unit in a coal mining company. Now, here's another rugged machine from Russia, the Yamal V4 articulated all-terrain vehicle. Thanks to its wide range of configuration options, it can be adapted for many uses. For instance, it can be set up as a bus that seats up to 20 people. Let's take a closer look at some of its features. The brains behind these Mercedes-Benz trucks collaborated with the folks from food giant Verein and trailer manufacturer Schmitz Cargobull to create this truck. They combined their expertise to make it as aerodynamic as possible. When the truck reaches 60 kilometers per hour, it deploys special plates that reduce turbulence, cutting down on fuel consumption. Thanks to this comprehensive package of aerodynamic tweaks, fuel usage has dropped by a solid 8 to 9%. On a larger scale, this means hundreds of thousands of liters of diesel fuel saved every year. Just another challenging day for a truck driver. This time, he's hauling a cable drum through rough off-road terrain. But there's no worry, he's using a compact, yet highly advanced trailer designed specifically for transporting cable drums. Built for tough conditions, it comes with powerful clamps that can shift left and right, making loading and unloading much easier. The entire process can even be controlled remotely. Curious to learn more? Check out the manufacturer's website, STU Trailers. Yes, the same company behind the car transporter trailer we showed earlier. The bright green paint really makes the chrome details and the front wheels with spiked hubcaps pop. It's a bold look, and the designers clearly had fun with it. They also paid tribute to some legendary figures like the one and only country music icon Johnny Cash. And yes, you can hear his music playing right from the powerful speakers built into the doors. Custom lighting adds the final touch, especially in the back where bold red vertical stripes make a serious statement. Let's just say, other drivers won't miss this one on the road. Now, let's check out another electric truck, this time from the American brand Freightliner Trucks. Their engineers took one of North America's most popular models, the Freightliner M2, and turned it into an electric version known as the Tandem has rolled out an intriguing enhancement for trucks called Centaur. This massive box transforms an ordinary diesel truck into a hybrid, providing the driver with an additional 630 horsepower in just a few minutes of installation. In all-electric mode, the driver can achieve around 95% diesel savings. Centaur features advanced technology that charges up to 80% within only 45 minutes and can also function as an auxiliary braking system. According to the manufacturers, the economic benefits of this product can be realized in as little as 103 days. For those looking to enhance their fleet, the PowerPack system is also available for trailer systems. Applications for Centaur and PowerPack can be submitted on the manufacturer's website. The next vehicle we're looking at today is a powerful tow vehicle. It's built specifically for military operations, which is why it features an armored hull and cutting-edge protection systems. It can withstand ballistic weapons fire and even keep moving after a mine detonates beneath its wheels. Even more impressive, the vehicle can shield its occupants from sniper rifle fire. And despite the danger, it never stops doing its job towing critical military equipment. To accomplish this, the vehicle is equipped with a 360-degree rotating boom with a capacity of 60,000 pounds, a heavy-duty winch, and an independent underlift, capable of handling nearly 35,000 pounds. Naturally, it offers superior off-road performance, able to traverse extreme terrain, and even very soft ground with ease. EM2. Depending on the version, the EM2 truck can deliver up to 300 horsepower, and its range on a single charge is around 370 kilometers. Charging the battery from 0 to 80% takes anywhere between 1 to just over 3 hours. Its top speed reaches about 113 kilometers per hour. The company says full production is expected to begin in 2023. Experts believe these trucks won't just help cut emissions, they'll also be cost-effective for owners. One standout feature of the EM2 is its great maneuverability, making drivers feel confident even in heavy city traffic. Now let's talk about some of the best trucks ever built, at least according to the pros at Western Star. This is another American truck brand with a strong reputation, founded back in 1967. The model shown here is the 47X. Tire edges wear out faster when tire pressure is below normal, while higher pressure increases tension in the contact patch, leading to more wear. To skip the hassle of frequent pressure checks, consider the Tire Pilot Plus system. It automatically monitors and adjusts tire pressure as needed, ensuring uniform pressure across all tires, promoting longer tire life and optimizing fuel consumption. The Optimax system is a game changer for fleets packed with 6x2 trucks. Its main concept is to make one of the axles liftable. When the wheels rise off the ground, fuel consumption can be reduced by up to 5%. And when the axle is lowered again, the truck handles rough, off-road terrain much better than a standard 6x2 setup, especially when reversing. No extra driver training is required, either. The lift axle is managed by intelligent software that works completely automatically. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.